Welcome back to Cozy House Decor, your go-to channel for all things home design and inspiration. Today we're diving into the world of luxury Americana, a timeless, elegant style inspired by none other than Ralph Lauren. Imagine transforming your home into a sophisticated retreat filled with rich textures, classic patterns, and timeless furniture that tells a story. Sounds amazing, right? Stick around because I'm going to show you how to bring this luxurious aesthetic into your home, step by step. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. Luxury Americana is a timeless design style that embodies elegance, sophistication, and a connection to heritage. It's a blend of warm, rich tones, high-quality materials, and elements that tell a story. From rustic wooden beams to polished leather furniture, this aesthetic draws inspiration from the American countryside and Ralph Lauren's signature style. The goal is to create a home that feels both luxurious and inviting, with an unmistakable sense of character. When adopting luxury Americana, balance is key. It's about combining rugged textures with refined finishes to create a cohesive look. For example, pairing a distressed wood coffee table with plush velvet sofas can strike the perfect harmony between comfort and sophistication. As we dive deeper, we'll explore the various components that make this design style so iconic, starting with Ralph Lauren's influence. Ralph Lauren's designs are synonymous with luxury and classic Americana. His style is characterized by a harmonious mix of traditional and modern elements, blending equestrian influences, nautical motifs, and vintage touches. Whether through his fashion lines or interior designs, Ralph Lauren creates timeless spaces that reflect elegance and a deep connection to American heritage. Incorporating Ralph Lauren's signature style into your home involves focusing on timelessness and quality. Choose pieces that feel authentic, like leather armchairs, vintage trunks, or plaid pattern decor. These elements not only add personality to your space, but also create a sense of nostalgia. Let's begin with the foundation of any great interior, selecting the perfect color palette. The right color palette sets the tone for your luxury Americana-inspired home. Rich, deep tones like navy blue, forest green, and burgundy are staples of this aesthetic, often paired with neutral shades such as cream, beige, or gray. These colors create a warm and welcoming atmosphere while exuding sophistication and depth. To add dimension, consider layering your chosen palette with subtle patterns or textures. For instance, plaid curtains in deep navy can beautifully complement a cream-colored sofa. The interplay of these colors creates balance and harmony. Once your palette is set, the next step is incorporating classic patterns like plaids and stripes. Plaids and stripes are signature patterns of the Americana style, adding a sense of tradition and structure to your space. Think tartan plaid throw blankets, striped cushions, or even wallpaper with a subtle pinstripe design. These patterns not only bring visual interest but also enhance the cozy, lived-in feel of the room. To achieve a balanced look, mix and match these patterns with solid colors or complementary textures. For example, a plaid pattern sofa can pair beautifully with solid throw pillows and a striped area rug. Next, we'll explore how natural materials play a crucial role in elevating your Americana interior. Natural materials are the backbone of luxury Americana design. Leather furniture like a tufted Chesterfield sofa brings a sense of timeless luxury, while reclaimed wood tables add warmth and authenticity, while blankets or rugs with their cozy texture complete the look by creating a welcoming atmosphere. These materials not only provide visual appeal, but also ensure durability and longevity. Mixing different textures, like smooth leather with rough-hewn wood, creates depth and contrast. With these foundational materials in place, let's delve into how lighting can transform your space and enhance its luxurious vibe. Lighting is a powerful tool in creating an inviting ambience in a luxury Americana home. Opt for warm, ambient lighting with vintage-inspired fixtures such as wrought iron chandeliers or brass table lamps. The goal is to create a soft, golden glow that enhances the richness of your decor. Layered lighting is equally important. Use a combination of overhead lights, wall sconces, and floor lamps to add depth and dimension. For example, a glowing fireplace paired with candlelight creates a cozy yet refined atmosphere. Next, we'll explore furniture selection to elevate your Americana-inspired interior. When selecting furniture, focus on timeless pieces that exude quality and character. Think leather armchairs, antique trunks as coffee tables, and classic wingback chairs. These elements create a foundation of elegance and durability, essential for the Americana aesthetic. Choose furniture that complements your color palette and adds a sense of history to your space. For instance, a dark wood dining table with carved details can serve as a stunning centerpiece. With your furniture in place, it's time to add depth and warmth through layered textures. Layering textures is key to achieving a luxurious yet cozy atmosphere. Combine soft materials like velvet or silk with rougher textures like burlap or leather. For example, a velvet throw paired with a wool area rug can add both comfort and sophistication. The goal is to create a tactile experience that invites you to touch and feel. These layered elements make the space feel lived in and personal. To complement these textures, We'll next discuss adding equestrian and nautical elements for a touch of Ralph Lauren charm. Equestrian and nautical elements are key components of the luxury Americana aesthetic. Equestrian-inspired decor, such as leather saddles, horse sculptures, or framed riding-themed artwork, adds a sense of tradition and sophistication. These items evoke the charm of the countryside, while enhancing the luxurious vibe of your home. For a coastal twist, incorporate nautical elements like ship wheels, brass lanterns, or maritime artwork. These details reflect a classic Ralph Lauren influence, blending rustic elegance with timeless themes. With these touches in place, we'll move on to curating art and decor that tell a personal story. Art and decor are the heart of any home, and in the Americana style, they should reflect a sense of heritage and storytelling. Look for vintage artwork, framed historical maps, or photographs that evoke nostalgia. These pieces add depth and character to your interior, making it feel curated and meaningful. In addition, personal items like family heirlooms or antique finds can give your space a unique and authentic touch. Display these alongside Ralph Lauren-inspired accessories, such as leather-bound books or elegant vases. With art and decor thoughtfully chosen, let's explore how to mix vintage and modern elements seamlessly. The magic of luxury Americana lies in its ability to blend vintage and modern styles harmoniously. Combine antique trunks or vintage furniture with contemporary lighting or sleek minimalist pieces to create a balanced aesthetic. This juxtaposition highlights the beauty of both eras, while keeping the space fresh and dynamic. For example, a mid-century modern armchair paired with a distressed leather ottoman adds visual contrast and depth. The key is to maintain a cohesive color palette and material choice to ensure a seamless transition. Next, let's examine how rugs play a significant role in elevating your design. Rugs are more than just functional. They're a statement piece in Americana interiors. Persian or Oriental rugs, with their intricate patterns and rich colors, can anchor a room while adding warmth and elegance. These rugs complement the dark wood furniture and muted tones commonly found in this style. Layering rugs is another technique to enhance texture and dimension. For example, place a smaller, patterned rug over a larger neutral one to create visual interest. With the right rug in place, the next step is accessorizing your space with bold, statement pieces. Accessories are where you can truly showcase your personality in a luxury Americana home. Look for bold statement pieces such as a grand chandelier, oversized artwork, or an antique mirror with ornate detailing. These items become focal points that elevate the overall design. Incorporating smaller accents like leather-bound books, vintage clocks, or brass candlesticks adds a sense of refinement. These curated details create layers of interest without overwhelming the space. Let's now focus on creating a warm and inviting Americana-inspired bedroom. The bedroom is your sanctuary, and an Americana-inspired design can make it both luxurious and comforting. Start with a statement bed. Opt for a tufted headboard in neutral tones or a dark wood frame. Layer the bedding with plaid throws, crisp linens, and soft velvet pillows to achieve a cozy yet elegant look. Add bedside tables with vintage lamps, and consider equestrian or nautical artwork for a touch of personality. A plush area rug under the bed can tie the room together beautifully. With the bedroom complete, let's finish by adding final personal touches to your space. The final touches are what transform a house into a home. Display stacks of antique books on shelves or coffee tables to add character and charm. Incorporate unique finds like vintage globes, heirloom trinkets, or framed personal photos to tell your story and make the space your own. Don't forget greenery. Potted plants or fresh flowers can breathe life into your Americana design. These final details ensure your space feels warm, welcoming, and deeply personal, bringing together everything you've learned to create a home that embodies luxury Americana. That wraps up our journey into creating a luxury Americana-inspired home, just like Ralph Lauren would. From choosing the perfect color palette to layering textures and adding timeless decor, these elements will transform your space into something truly special. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to Cozy House Decor for more home design ideas and inspiration. And I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite element of luxury Americana? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.